HP Industrial. If you require a professional B2B partner to provide you with plastic knowledge, development and production, look no further. In Denmark, complex challenges are solved when HP Industrial design and produce either with or for you. We take pride in fulfilling your needs and always keep an open and honest communication. Long-term partnerships and mutual respect is the way forward for us. Products can be designed to carry your own brand, and a part of our partnership can also be helping you to expand these new products to new markets. At our tool shop, new products are developed, adjustments are made, and service is performed. With comprehensive technical know-how, we specialize in compact injection molded products for function and durability. We work proactively on optimizing the flow through the whole value chain in close cooperation with suppliers and customers to improve landed cost. On our webpage, we offer a large range of products specially designed and patented for the professional painting and cleaning industry. Do you want the best time to market, thought out projects and delivery on time? Contact us at HP Industrial today.